Ever wondered if the plants in your home could do more than just look pretty? What if I told you that these top 5 plants can actually clean the air and improve your health without you lifting a finger? Stick around, because these natural air purifiers will change the way you think about indoor plants forever. First on the list, we have the snake plant, a true survivor. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this hardy plant is nearly indestructible. It's perfect for beginners, and it's one of the best air-purifying plants for your bedroom. What makes it so special? While most plants only release oxygen during the day, the snake plant works overnight too. It absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, helping you sleep better and breathe easier. Snake plants are also known for removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making them a must-have for cleaner, fresher spaces. With just a little indirect light and minimal water, this plant thrives. Next up, the spider plant. This little powerhouse is one of the most effective at purifying air, and it's very easy to grow. Spider plants are not only beautiful, but they're also known for their ability to clean formaldehyde and xylene, both common indoor pollutants. They also help remove carbon monoxide, which makes them ideal for kitchens or garages. Spider plants also have a fun, unique look with their long, arching leaves that resemble the legs of a spider, hence the name. And they're really easy to propagate. You can even grow new plants from the babies that sprout at the ends of the leaves. It's a win-win. Now, if you're looking for a plant that adds elegance to your space while purifying the air, then the peace lily is your go-to. Not only does it clean the air of toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde, but it also removes mold spores, which can improve the overall quality of your indoor environment. Peace lilies are known for their stunning white blooms, which stand out beautifully against their dark green leaves. But here's a little secret. You don't even need a green thumb to keep this plant happy. It thrives in low light and requires only weekly watering. Plus, it's one of the few plants that can flower indoors, making it a standout piece in your living room or office next. Let's talk about the Areca palm, also known as the butterfly palm. This palm is perfect for homes with higher humidity levels, and it adds a tropical touch to any room. Areca palms are fantastic at filtering out toxins like formaldehyde and toluene from the air. They're also great for improving overall indoor humidity, which can be beneficial for your health during dry months. What's even better? The Areca palm is easy to maintain and loves indirect light. Just water it when the top inch of the soil feels dry, and it will reward you with vibrant, lush fronds that brighten up any space. And last, but definitely not least, we have the bamboo palm. This plant is one of the best options for low-light areas, making it perfect for offices or dark corners of your home. It's not only known for being a great air purifier but also for its ability to remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, common pollutants found in furniture and paints. The bamboo palm is low maintenance and can grow quite tall, which makes it a striking focal point in any room. It thrives in indirect light and only needs moderate watering. So if you want a plant that looks stunning and works hard to clean your air, the bamboo palm is a perfect fit. These 5 plants are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to air purifying plants. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, breathe cleaner air, or add a little green to your home, these plants are easy to care for and make a huge difference in your indoor environment. Remember, adding plants to your home not only beautifies your space, but also helps you live in a healthier, more breathable environment. Which of these plants will you try first? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more green thumb tips and plant care advice. And if you've tried any of these air purifying plants, drop a comment below and let us know how they're doing in your home.